how much we will know, but his heart cries out, Barbecue-tea, 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 you barbecue-tea when you're with me is one. Let's pursue this more. Why would he live so much that's warm to his detriment? Maybe he's oh so slightly bent. Ask her, she would know. Barbecue-tea, 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 you barbecue-tea when you're with me is one. The friends are getting friendly on the lawn. The flies are making enemies of all. Aroma rising from the ancient cold has turned you into someone very bold and killed whatever hesitance she showed. Well, barbecue-tea, 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 you. Now he's back unharmed. He must have lost his frozen charm. How are you today? That's very good. He's on his way to the barbecue. Barbecue-tea, 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 you. 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 Barbecue-tea.
Slip and slide, it's Glacier Day. Glaciers meet and soak up rays and take walks around the world. Glaciers like the world, just like big white boys and girls. It's Glacier Day. Mop your brow, it's Fire Day. They're artistic in the way they can change the world to red, then change the red to grey. See the world turn red and grey. It's Fire Day, it's Glacier Day. Busy, 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 busy all the time. Busy, 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 busy all the time. Busy, 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 busy all the time. It's Fire Day. Everywhere it's Water Day. Water never has to pay for the fun of driving through any avenue. Watch the water wash on through. It's Water Day. Batter down, it's a windy day. First it knocks, then hides away, but you'll see where it has been by what's left on its chin. See the places it has been. It's windy day, a windy day. Busy, 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 busy all the time. Busy, 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 busy all the time. Busy, 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 busy all the time. It's a windy day. Will the wonders never cease? Now the earth has started creaking. It's water day, it's windy day, it's fire day, it's glacier day, it's icy day, it's windy day, it's sunny day, it's water day, it's fire day, fire day. It's water day, it's windy day, it's glacier day, it's windy day, it's fire day, it's smoky day, it's windy day, it's icy day, it's wonder day.
One, two, three, four.
And all the eager beaver men come watch away the blues. They place themselves in place of me and face to face with you. And each pretends you're loving him, but that's not very true. 'Cause you're not acting, nor am I, though I could use some proof. Marry me, what's the story? Though 1,000 hungry people try to crash our story, but no one in that talking world need ever know. But I'll know, marry me. A happily ever after, does that seem too much to ask? With trees and pots and stucco walls and fountains in the back, and lawns that you or I can mow, and neighbors who will chat about important issues and the state of this and that. Marry me, what's the story? Though 1,000 hungry people tried to crash our story, but no one in that talking world need ever know. But I'll know, marry me. Someone to bring me out, someone to let me in, someone to bring me joy, somebody new, somebody new, somebody really new. The purple mountain's majesty above the fruited plain is peeling off the wall of Lucky's Miramar Motel. Marry me, what's the story? Though 1,000 hungry people tried to crash our story, but no one in that darkened world need ever know. But I'll know, marry me. Someone to bring me out, someone to let me in, someone to bring me joy, somebody new, somebody new, somebody new. Oh, marry me, what's the story? Though 1,000 hungry people tried to crash our story. Oh, marry me, what's the story? Though 1,000 hungry people tried to crash our story. Oh, marry me, what's the story? Though 1,000 hungry people tried to crash our story. Oh.